What's good, people? We look good in the sun. We look good in the sun. But nah, my tail light is out on the passenger side. It's dead. So I took it apart. I thought it was the harness at the bottom because as you can see, it's hanging a little. But that's not the problem here. The problem is right here. Some moisture got in there at some point in time. So what I'm gonna do is take this tail light assembly off, just completely cut the plastic pigtail off and just wire these up together. What is that, hardwired? I think that's hardwired. That's what I'm about to do here. So I was bored and wanted to do a video. I'm not gonna test them before I screw them back in because if it doesn't fix it, I still gotta screw it back in. But what I will say is I also noticed a little bit of corrosion where the harness plugs in under the bumper. So I'm gonna order the part and replace that because we don't want to start an electrical fire. But I need my brake lights to work in the meantime. All right, so moment of truth. Let's see if the light cuts on. Oh, that didn't fix the problem. So yep, we gotta get a new harness. So I got a new harness. It has all the bulbs and stuff attached to it. But I'm gonna fix this problem today because I gotta hit the road tomorrow to go to Cleveland to fly out to Atlanta. So I need brake lights to be able to make that drive. And it's not like, you know, it's a regular tail light with a bulb out. It's like that whole LED line that's out, and it just looks pitiful. But anyways, I'm gonna get the creepers, get up under the truck, and get this thing fixed today. All right, so what I like to do in situations like this, when you have, in this case, say 5 wires to match up, I either do this with either, you know, a decent amount of wires, or if the colors don't match, I'll just do them one at a time. I'll cut one, splice it in, the next splice, and so on and so forth. So let's cut this. Oh, it's kind of stiff. We'll cut this like right about, let's see how much, we got a lot to play with there. All right, I'm gonna just cut this right about here. I was gonna throw this, but I don't want a bunch of broken glass in the garage. So toss that in the trash. Wow, that's like all dirt built up in there. Let's get these ends stripped. It's time for a new wire stripper. This thing does not grip how it used to. I hate doing stuff like this. I don't even mind it. It's just the fact that it's cold right now. I was gonna pull the truck in the garage, which I actually still might do because it's cold, and doing this outside is not really in my best interest. All right, let's get some shrink tube. Are there small ones left in here? I think these are all big too. Yeah, these are all way too big. We'll use the red ones. Kind of sucks that I already have joined this as one, because now I can't just unplug this and do it. I gotta have the whole The whole shebang in my lap. Need to get more electrical tape. I'm tired of green. It almost looks factory. All right, the not so fun part, because this annoying space we have. And I just know something's gonna fall in my eye while I'm down here. This exhaust pipe is really in the way. All right, so got it all wired up now. It's time to put it to test. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So that is how you fix the Cadillac Escalade lights, or just really the tail lights in general, because that problem can happen with the factory or aftermarket tail lights. But definitely, if you have these lights and you don't want to go spend $400 again, thinking that the assembly is messed up, get under there, check the harnesses, check the pigtails, and see if you see any corrosion in there. Because, like in places where I live up north, where we get a lot of snow and stuff under the vehicles, it's easy for problems like that to happen. So definitely save yourself some money and get up under your truck and check it out if that's what you're going through. But now back to the normal stuff. If you enjoyed the video, or like I always say, like the TintMobile or just content that I post, do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification button, and also check out my other social medias, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. I have all types of content posted on there, and it would always be it'd be greatly appreciated if you go tune in. But thanks for watching.